Welcome to our jme3 engine tutorial on making a door open. Imagine you have a toy door that can swing open and closed, just like a real door. This door is attached to a hinge on one side, and when you push it, it rotates around that hinge. In our game, we want to create the same effect, a door that swings open and closes like your toy door. The problem? At first, when we tried to make the door rotate, it didn't work as expected. Instead of swinging around the side like it should, it was spinning in the middle, almost like a merry-go-round. But that's not how doors work, right? The solution. To fix this, we need to tell the computer that the door should rotate around one edge, which we'll call the hinge, not the middle. Let's break this down using some simple math. Pivot point. Think of the pivot point as the spot where the door is attached to the wall, the hinge. This is the point around which the door will rotate. For our door, we'll place the hinge on the left side. Rotation. Rotation is just a fancy word for turning. When you push the door, it rotates around the hinge. The math involved in this rotation uses something called an angle. This angle measures how far the door has turned. Translation. Moving the door. When the door swings open, the far edge moves in an arc, like a part of a circle. We need to instruct the computer to move the door along this arc instead of just spinning it in place. After we rotate the door, we move it to ensure it stays attached to the hinge. The formula. When you rotate the door by a certain angle, you use the hinge as the center point. Our formula tells the door to rotate around this point and then slide it to the correct position. Imagine this. The door rotates around the hinge and slides just a little bit to stay in the right place, making it look like it's swinging open or closed. The code. Here's a brief elaboration of each method related to door rotation in a jme3 engine application. These methods handle the angle of a door as it opens and closes. This method retrieves the current rotation angle of the door around the y-axis. It returns the y-axis angle, which is essential for determining how far the door has opened or closed. This method sets the door's rotation to a specified angle around the y-axis and updates its position. The door's position is recalculated using the pivot point and the rotated position based on its width, door dimensions.x, ensuring the door rotates around the correct point. This method updates the door's rotation towards a target angle over time. By doing this, we can make the door open and close correctly, just like a real door in your house.